Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write scripts in AP/Emps and add production cues. And for the purposes of this video, I will use the NewsVision rundown I recreated in one of the previous videos to add the cues to. First, I will double-click the first headline, A1, to get into the script. It will open a new window here on the right, and it will tell you what the story is up here. In order for you to start writing stories, you need to start typing inside that box, and all these commands at the top will appear. So that's how we start writing stories. So for the headline story, A1, you go to the top and click Production, then click Take, and this pop-up will appear. Under Other, click SOT. You will need to add the in cue and the out cue of any SOT so the anchors know when it's ending. And you can also add the duration of the SOT down here. For sound bites from interviews, you will also need to add the name of the person speaking for graphics purposes. To save it in the rundown, press Insert. Then in parentheses underneath, you write take SOT, TRT, whatever your TRT is. Mine was 14 seconds, for example. Under any SOT that is a soundbite from an interview, you will also write out the full SOT in quotations in sentence case so producers and writers can see it. Then save your script, click the X, and then save, and you will see the script color will change from yellow to red, which means I wrote something, but it hasn't been approved. Make sure to save out of the scripts in order for other people to see what you have written. To add production cues for a VO, this Trump indictment delayed, click in the script. Go to the production button, click Take again, this time under Other, click VO. Then insert it into your script. Then under the production cue, write Take VO in parentheses. Under Take VO is where you will write your script for that story, remember in all caps. I'll write a few test sentences here so you can see how to check how long your script is. To see how long your script is, you can look right up here. It says the time. So these two sentences are 5 seconds total. Then I will save out of my script once again and you'll see it blink red. Before someone starts writing a story, as a producer, you will need to assign how much time that story will take. This estimates how long each story will be so a writer knows how long to make it. So, for example, if I wanted the VO of Trump to be 20 seconds, I would write 20 seconds here under estimated duration. In the end, all your scripts should be green, meaning every script was approved by a faculty advisor or EP, like this. But you do not approve scripts, you just write them. Continuing on, click on the next script, which is a two-shot of both the anchors. So I will click Production, then click Anchor, where this pop-up will come up. Since both anchors will be speaking in this segment, I need to write both here. Then press Insert. Under the anchor production cue, write in parentheses the first anchor that will be speaking. So for this example, I will write Cal on cam. And when Melanie starts reading the script, I would write Melanie on cam, like this. Always make sure to save out of your scripts. If only one anchor is reading the script on camera, like Cal is under A9 where he is on cam, I will only write his name under anchor. Then once I insert that, I will write Cal on cam in parentheses. Now say I have a SOT VO like I do here under A14. Under the drag out segment, I will click into that script and first add the SOT production queue with all the necessary information. This includes name of person speaking, the in cues and the out cues, and the duration of the SOT. I will also write take SOT in parentheses underneath the queue and write out the entire SOT. Then underneath that, I will add another VO production queue in the same script. Then I will add take VO in parentheses and type the end of my SOT-VO script after the take VO. For any segment that is a video element, you can open the production pop-up, press take, and under other, there are many options for taking a package, full screen, live shot, wipe, and more that you will use throughout your shows.